meaning of the word in the Bible, that if you follow the biblical prophecies, precisely what does it say and what does it mean, you see that it was split and divided into two separate phenomena. One was the day of the Lord, which was the return of the planet, which I suggest did take place in 556 BC. Now, if the orbit of the planet became based by if it's roughly 3,600 years, so the next nearing of the planet, if you deduct 556 from about 3,600, you're talking about the 29th century AD. So if all right, so the question is, once the collision has taken place, and the Earth was created with its moon, what happened to the invader? According to all those texts, the invader became a permanent member of our solar system with a great elliptical orbit coming back to our vicinity once every 3,600 years, give or take. And that is so this is how, according to the Sumerian epic of creation, the planet, so-called planet X, the 10th planet, the 12th planet, the Sumerians called it Nibiru, which meant planet of the crossing. But when it reaches the proximity of Earth and it reaches its point of perigee, the closest to the Sun, they called it the crossing. And indeed, very often, when it neared the Earth, the symbol for that planet changed from a winged disk to a cross. And on some of the flights that are released out of the cloud of dust, orbit in this one direction, counterclockwise. But this invader, this stranger, came and it is orbiting clockwise. So the collision was really unavoidable. The text referred to it as a celestial battle. The dealing in the book of 12 planets, and then in another book that I think Genesis revisited step by step and explained scientifically what ancient words mean. But there were then a series of collisions. This planet invaded, whom the Babylonians renamed Marduk in honor of their national god. Developed moons or satellites. Tiamat also had a host led by a large moon called Kingu, and there was a series of collisions. And finally, in the final collision, Tiamat was split in two. One part was totally smashed to bits and pieces and became an orbiting band, which we call the asteroid belt. And by the way, the Sumerian explanation of the origin of the asteroid belt is the only available explanation, because modern science has no explanation for it. And the other half, more or less intact, but only half the planet, was shunted to a new orbit, plus the largest moon of Tiamat, and became our planet Earth, and became the planet Earth. And if you look at the way our planet really looks, you see that there is this huge cavity, which we call the Pacific Ocean, and the continents have spread out, and from half the planet we have now a round planet, partly rounded by water. Okay.